You know what? You guys missed a good thing, but you know.
No, it didn't happen.
Full send for the boys. Alright guys, so in today's video, we're not going to be doing an exhaust install because Joel 5.0 is too slow for that. But what we are going to be doing is installing these Magic Drift side splitters for the Cobra. You know, we'll show you guys another little example. So they go like this, make it look a little wider, more aggressive, and yeah, I gotta drill everything. So first Joel wants to get some food, and then then we'll start the install. And he
thinks I'm your slave or something. You gotta get fed.
And I drive him to school every day. Let's not forget about that. But
how far is my house from your house? Real quick. Look, it's down there, right there.
It is not. That's a lie.
Can you get your VTEC out of here?
Sir, that is there a problem with that or what? Oh,
yeah. Look at you, man. You're gonna break your lip off. Two-step.
Alright guys, so the first step installing your Magic Drift side skirts, I would recommend just cleaning the bottom. So I'm gonna just clean that real quick, and after that we can start drilling. So to install your Magic Drift side skirts, one thing is you're gonna have to drill, alright? And they recommend double side tape, but
really?
for the...
You have to drill? There's no way. You have to drill? There's no way. Are you serious? That's crazy. That's so crazy.
Alright, we're gonna use a 1/8 bit, and we're gonna see if that works. And then let's just do a full send. It's gonna line up like that. It's really hard to tell, but we have part of them on. I just gotta fill in the screws. But yeah, they look pretty good. It's subtle difference, but they definitely add a little bit of flavor. What'd you say? To match the front lip. Oh yeah, it looks cool. Me and Joel finish up with the install. One of the tips I give you guys is, first, it's a 1/8 bit for the screws they provide, and basically what you want to do is you're going to mount it up, find the middle plate, put it in, and then based off of that you can start screwing in the other screws. That's how we did it. And currently I'm rocking their front splitter, but we're gonna drive off and Joel's gonna record for us. Mac off-road H-pipe and more lead tacks.
What the hell? That looks good.
They make the car look smooth. Tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna get some better shots for you guys when it's brighter, because obviously it's daylight savings, you know what I'm saying? But damn, those look good. I'm gonna reinsert it here. The bolt size, or the, what am I saying?
Your drill bit.
The drill bit that I was using is actually a 3/32. That's what you guys want to use, okay? And it fits really nice. It looks way better in person, but the car looks a lot lower. Oh my god. So, me and Joel are gonna wrap up the video. If you guys enjoyed watching this,
subscribe and like for more.
Yeah, and Magic Drift, please sponsor me. Make a rear diffuser. Make a rear diffuser. Magic Drift, please sponsor me. Alright, I know I'm not that cool.
Do they make parts for fuck buddies?
Yeah, fuck.
Well,
buddies.
You need to make parts for fuck buddies.
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe.
Peace.
I just pulled up on your address.